Hello, welcome back to AutoMobilityStore.com's YouTube channel. In today's video, we have this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT featuring a VMI Northstar in-floor manual ramp system. This conversion van is perfect for someone that's traveling along with a companion, as it does have a manual ramp that needs to be pulled out. I'm going to go ahead and show you how that's done. A manual ramp system is as easy as pulling a lever to bring the ramp out. A manual ramp conversion is perfect for those who want to save money on a conversion van, and for those who will have assistance getting in and out of the van. This VMI Northstar conversion van features a 3.6-liter V6 engine, a little over 96,000 miles, and a very clean interior. With removable driver and passenger seats, you and your mobility unit can securely sit on either side, including the middle of the van. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT wheelchair conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.